Welcome back to Mind Body Wealth. Today, we're diving into the world of mental fortitude. Our mind is our most powerful tool, and by strengthening it, we can achieve any goal and overcome any challenge life throws our way. Join us as we uncover actionable tips for fortifying the mind to achieve peak performance. Mind fitness, strengthening the muscle of intelligence. Challenge your mind with strategic games like chess and Rubik's Cube. Not only does it sharpen your focus, elevate memory, enhance analytical thinking and problem-solving skills, but it also teaches you to think several moves ahead, a valuable skill in life. Fuel your mind with nutrition, knowledge and positivity. Nutrition is equally important for a sharp mind and preventing brain fog. Elevate your brain's performance with these 5 superfoods. Fatty fish rich in omega-3s like salmon, antioxidant-packed blueberries, nutrient-dense leafy greens like spinach, nuts and seeds like almonds for essential nutrients, and indulgent dark chocolate for flavonoids. Incorporate these into your meals for enhanced cognitive function and mental clarity. Knowledge is power, so immerse yourself in books, podcasts, and tutorials that broaden your perspective and enhance the mind. Simultaneously, it's essential to feed mind with positive thoughts. Understands that our problems are smaller compared to our ability to solve them. Recharge your brain, the power of rest for mental clarity. Rest is essential for brain health and cognitive function. Adequate sleep allows your brain to recharge, consolidate memories, and process information. Prioritize quality sleep by establishing a consistent bedtime routine, creating a relaxing sleep environment, and avoiding stimulants like caffeine before bedtime. Remember, a well-rested brain is a sharper brain. With these powerful tips for mental strength, you hold the key to unlocking your true potential. Stay focused, stay determined, and embrace the journey towards a better you.